Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the general introduction to chemistry. Where does chemistry come from? Alright, so let me tell you about science. What is science? So here I am writing. So the word science is taken from a Latin word scientia. It is basically the study of nature, the study of universe, the study of nature or the study of universe. Study of, I am writing here the nature. And from which language it has been taken? It has been taken from Latin. And the word is scientia. Scientia. Alright. So science is basically the systematic study. Now here the word has been used, systematic. What does mean by this systematic? Systematic means there is a particular system which we need to follow in order to study science. And in that system there are two main elements. What are those two? Basically there are three main elements. So the first main element is observation. First you need to observe the things. Second thing is experiment. When you observe that thing, you need to experiment with those things then. After experimentation, you need to measure that. Alright, so the third element is measurements. So science is the systematic study. Let me write this here. It is basically systematic study. Let me write here. Systematic study. And what does mean by systematic? Basically, this is the study in which observation is used. After observing the thing, you experiment the thing. So the second step is experimentation. The last but not the least step is measurement. After experimentation, there is measurement. So measurement. This is basically the systematic study. Alright. So science is the systematic study of nature in which you observe the thing first, secondly you experiment, then thirdly you measure the things. Alright, so now on the basis of, science is basically divided now. It is categorized into biological science as well as physical science. Let me write here. The first is biological science. Let me write this here. Biological science, in which you study the matter which are living things. Alright, so basically you study living kingdom in this. What do you study? Living kingdom. Living kingdom. And those can either be plants or animals. Let me write that as well. Either that would be plants, and if that would be the study of plants, that would be known as botany. And you can study animals too, and the study of animals would be known as zoology. Alright, so the first science is biological science, in which you study the living kingdom. Living kingdom can be categorized into again two types, plants as well as animals. Alright, so now we have an other science which is physical science. Wait, let me draw here. The physical science. Physical science. What do you study in physical science? Basically, you study non-living kingdom. Alright, what do you study in this? You study non-living kingdom. Non-living kingdom. Or you study non-living matter. So basically it is also categorized into two parts. What those two parts are basically? Those are chemistry and physics. Chemistry and physics. We know that chemistry is a study of matter and its transformation. So it is a study of matter and transformation. And physics is the study of matter and its relation with energy. Alright, so this is basically physical science. Physical science is about non-living kingdom. It is also categorized into two parts, chemistry and physics. Chemistry is the study of matter and transformation, and physics is the study of matter and its relation with energy. Now we will be discussing about chemistry. Alright, so now we got to know that where does chemistry come from. Chemistry is basically the part of physical science, and physical science is categorized part. So we are going to study chemistry now. So now we should go with the meaning first. Alright, what is meaning by this word chemistry? Let me write here first. We have word chemistry. If I remove this istry, wait, if I do remove this istry, what is remaining? Only chem. Alright, what is remaining? Only chem. And basically this chem is a new word. Initially the word was chem, K-H-E-M, chem. Then it was converted to chem, but initially the word was chem. And the meaning of chem was, wait, let me write this. The meaning of chem was black soil of land. Black soil of land. And where do you find the black soil of land? Basically in Egypt. Alright, so you find the black soil of land in Egypt. Alright, wait, let me write this here. Chemistry. Alright, chem means you can write land, just because this is a new word now. Land, you can write earth, and what includes in earth? Minerals, rocks, sand. Alright, and istry means expert. Or you can write specialist. In the next video, we'll be going with the classification of the matter into, we'll be going with its physical classification as well as its chemical classification as well. This was all for today.